Okay, I would like Talking Parrot to get this message. Please tell your friends to stop calling me. Ben, Angela, Tom, everyone else. This is Talking Parrot. Yep, it's Talking Parrot. Declined. Sorry, Talking Parrot. I don't want any of you. I don't want any talking people. Imagine if Talking Fluffy Cat just answers, like, whatever is that. I'm becoming pretty chill with these talking characters calling me. And I really don't care about them. But, yeah. Goodbye. I hope you were on this journey with me, talking to talking people. Parrot's trying to call me. Could you just stop? Tell a parrot to stop. He's so annoying. He's literally so annoying. Parrots are annoying. This parrot's annoying. Screw everything. Tell everyone to stop calling me. And this is the last time I'm gonna shut down. I'm gonna shut down my phone, guys. Shutting down my phone. Shutting down my phone. Shutting down my phone. See my phone? Yes, I would like to power off my phone. Yeah!